Course in Miracles, Workbook for Students. Workbook Lesson 116. Review of Lessons 101 and 102. For morning and evening review. God's will for me is perfect happiness. God's will is perfect happiness for me, and I can suffer but from the belief there is another will apart from His. I share God's will for happiness for me. I share my Father's will for me, His Son. What He has given me is all I want. What He has given me is all there is. On the hour, say, God's will for me is perfect happiness. On the half hour, say, I share God's will for happiness for me. That's it for today. Thank you. I love you. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Bye.